Hello my dear students, how are you all? This is Mrs. Avolika Andrews, your English master teacher, and once again I welcome you all to my English grammar classes. Today in this session we are going to discuss about a type of noun, and that is abstract nouns. What is abstract noun? See students, it's very simple. As you all have already studied about concrete nouns, this concept is going to be easier to you all. You know why? Simple. It's just because abstract nouns are just opposite to concrete nouns. Unlike concrete nouns, abstract nouns can only be thought of or felt. They cannot be seen or touched like concrete nouns. For example, like an idea is a thought and happiness is a feeling. Okay? Thus, idea and happiness are abstract nouns. Unlike concrete nouns, they can't be seen, touched, heard, smelled, or tasted. They can only be felt. In this way, an abstract noun refers to qualities, actions, and state of being. For example, kindness is a quality, laughter is an action, beauty is a state of being. Okay? In short, abstract nouns are words that name ideas, feelings, experiences, qualities, and concepts. Alright? In other words, we can say that something that is abstract exists only in mind, like a concept, idea, aspect, experience, quality, state of being, feeling, or other entity that cannot be experienced with our five senses. It means we cannot see, hear, taste, touch, or smell them. Okay? Now students, tell me one thing. Can we see, touch, taste, smell, hear awareness, loyalty, honesty, friendship? Of course not. We can't do so. So these all are example of abstract nouns. Clear to you all? Now you can easily define abstract noun. Okay? So an abstract noun is a noun that cannot be perceived using one of the five senses, that is taste, touch, sight, hearing, or smelling. For example, childhood, favorite, anger, bravery, friendship. For your convenience, I have given some examples of some common abstract nouns. Take a screenshot and go through it. Done? Very good. Now let's find abstract noun from the following sentences. Here students, truth, patience, happiness, sadness, honesty, childhood, and life. These are abstract nouns. Why? As they cannot sense through our five senses. Clear to you all? Good. Now students, let's have a look about kinds of abstract nouns. Abstract nouns can be divided into two types. The first one is attributive nouns and the second one is verbal nouns. Attributive nouns. Students, attributive nouns are actually names of certain qualities or characteristics or attributes. This kind of nouns are formed from adjectives and nouns. For example, poverty, this word is formed from the adjective poor. Knighthood, this word is formed from the common noun knight. Scholarship, this word is also formed from the common noun scholar. In this way, we can say that attributive nouns are abstract nouns which are derived from adjectives and common nouns. signifying qualities or characteristics. For example, kind, kindness, intelligent, intelligence, neighbor, neighborhood, child, childhood. Here students, kindness, intelligence, neighborhood, childhood, these all are examples of attributive nouns. I think this much is clear to you all. Now let's move to the next type of abstract nouns, and that is verbal nouns. Students, this type of nouns are such nouns that are formed by adding an inflection, such as ing and er to verb sharing the construction. For example, examiner. This word is formed from the verb examine. Designer. This word is formed out of the verb design. Next is walking. It is also formed from the verb walk. So students, this much is clear to you all. Now students, before concluding abstract noun, there are few things to keep in mind, and they are the formation of abstract noun with the help of some suffixes like any, ss and hod. Dry becomes dryness by adding suffix any, ss. Mother becomes motherhood by adding suffix hood. Suffixes such as ion and ment can be added to form abstract nouns. The following are some examples. Act becomes action by using suffix ion. Attract becomes attraction by using suffix ion. Discourage becomes discouragement by using suffix ment. Commence becomes commencement by using suffix ment. Here are some examples of abstract nouns that are formed from adjectives like kind by using ness becomes kindness. Cheerful by using suffix ness becomes cheerfulness. Able by using ity becomes ability. Fragile by using ity becomes fragility. Wise become wisdom by using dom. Honest become honesty by using suffix y. Students, always remember that an abstract noun made from an adjective by adding the suffix dom is very rare. And for words ending in e, the e is removed when the suffix is added. Students, here are few words given to you all. You have to make abstract nouns by adding appropriate suffixes. I hope it will be very easy for you all now. Thank you for listening. May God bless you all. See you all again in the next session, where we will discuss about rest of the categories of nouns. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.